I'm laughing at you. You're so kind.
No problem.
You love me, don't you? Thank you so much.
You see, I've been here for 3 minutes to this place. I said, she bring me now. I said, my place down there. I said, no, what's the roaster one there? Or
Ital.
Ital is vital. There you
Ital
go.
is vital.
This is Rasta love.
Rasta love.
Rasta for I love.
So, you're real for right? I'm the real for right. I accept my dreads.
You the real. No.
Yeah, he's the true. Blessed love.
Blessed love. We just got my dreads for a little while. We send it. Come on, back.
You the real, huh? The real deal.
Yeah. That one is a fake one. Rasta chicken now.
Rasta chicken.
Yeah.
Rasta chicken.
chicken nugget.
Eat blood. Eat blood.
I said, what's the chicken nugget?
This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about, dog.
I see his taxi all the time. They say stop right. That's that taxi that said bus. That say stop right. I've seen that a lot. That's his taxi.
What kind of fish you cooking today?
They got the one you like. That's the kind you like with the skin out.
like the red one?
With the skin
Yeah,
out.
red fish. That's all I've been eating for the last 10 years in Grenada. Yeah. Oh. So how many favorites you got? That's all I'm saying. What the slack in this?
I was doing up the side. He said you're doing it all wrong.
Let me go from the side.
And he said you had to go all the way around. I was just trying to get a little piece of time. I said, okay. After that one, that I think.
Oh, I forgot. They told me to cut a BreadFruit for you.
Just a small piece. With that fire burning hard when I seen that breadfruit. Damn. I like them cold. We gotta make sure it's perfect, but we gotta do the test first. Could have cooked a little more.
Different type of BreadFruit.
It's sweet.
But it's kind of hard.
Things supposed to be sweet like butter. That's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting sweet like butter. Am I gonna get what I'm expecting? I want sweet like butter, black butter.
Only the best for natural, man.
Sweet like butter.
#1 Empress.
Yes, give thanks, King. I was telling my sis here about the big people party. But I was also telling her that last comment you made that slowed me down. Oh, avocado pear? That's for me? Damn. What's going on here? That's what I'm talking about. This is going to be the very beginning. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Y'all shouldn't act like that. Wow. Wow. Oh my, what's that? Coconut?
Coconut oil.
What? Eh.
That's how we say it.
Wow, King, give thanks. Now that's love. Now this is love. This is St. Lucian love. Now this is love. And it be simple stuff. Coconuts they pulled off their trees, pear trees that have bare, pull it off, put it together. Pull some roast coconut oil over top of his roasted. I love men that know how to cook and prepare.
Not no just rubbish.
Not no rubbish. What's that? That's an electric company, isn't it? Or water. What happened? Queen, can you hand me my water bottle out the back seat? Just open the back door. It's wrapped between my towel. Just easily stick your hand between my towel. Thank you very much. You got plans for the rest of the day?
No, I'm gonna find a car. Hold on, call Olin and see if he got his car yet. I'm definitely can't walk back up.